Hi, I'm Joe Saunders with Miniature Landscape Hobbies, and in this video we're going to paint the British Pioneer by Napoleonic STL files. The story of this model painting project starts with me at the grocery store picking up some essentials on Christmas Eve. As always, the lineup is backed up and I'm trying to fill the time until I get to the cashier. And like everyone else in line, I'm trying to decide what I'm going to paint and build next. An A10 Warthog? Or maybe some Hanoverian Napoleonic troops. Both are cool and at the top of my painting pile, but being Christmas Eve, I was in the mood for something different. Then it happened. All of a sudden my phone chimed. It was the Napoleonic STL Files Facebook group, offering a free British Pioneer model as an STL download. My painting issue was solved. It was a Christmas miracle. So now, equipped with a new STL file of an awesome Napoleonic model, I did what any responsible person would do, and I immediately went home and got to printing it. In fact, I forgot the ice cream on the counter, and it melted. But I got the model printed. When it was done, I was really impressed with the quality and decided to get right to work painting it up. This was really just what Santa ordered, and not only would it look good in my growing Napoleonic British force, but it would allow me to just do something a little different and test out my painting skills a little. So let's look at how I painted the British Pioneer by Napoleonic STL files.